I'm going to go over in PowerScheduler how we change teacher sections from one teacher to another. One of the things that we are doing right now, as an example, some of Miss Blanton's classes that we have scheduled for next year, we're going to transfer those to Miss Lockhart. So I'll show you one of the issues we run into if we try to do it through the teacher side. Again, we're looking in PowerScheduler under Teachers. If you try to change this this geometry class from Miss Blanton to Miss Lockhart, you could try and click on sections here, but there's no way to change it. It's set as Miss Blanton. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do it instead from the PowerScheduler, the courses and the sections. So I'm going to come over to, I've already made a few changes, but we see Miss Blanton's teaching this class. It's a geometry class. We're going to change this from Miss Blanton to Miss Lockhart. So this is an easier way to change it. We're going to keep it there, but you have to remember a few things. Since we changed teachers, we also need to change the rooms that it's associated with. So you associate it, and Miss Lockhart, we'll change some of these names, but Miss Lockhart's in room 110. So we change the room number. Right now we have it set at 29. We're going to lower this for this scheduling purposes to 25 to try and cut down class size numbers. And then scroll down and hit submit. And that's how you change in the PowerScheduler side from a teacher teaching one section to another teacher teaching that exact same section, instead of creating a whole lot of new sections. Again, this comes after we have copied the master schedule from the 21-22 school year to the 22-23 school year.